quick ways on how you can actually get monetized on your YouTube channel. Oh, before then, I know a lot of people will be wondering, is there actually quick ways you can get monetized? Yes, there is. There are a lot of things you can do to monetize your YouTube channel so fast. But before then, I would like to introduce myself. And we all know that in this YouTube channel, I teach on how you can grow, how you can monetize, and how you can scale your YouTube channel to monetization level. So today, let's just quickly dive into the main topic of today because I don't want to actually waste much time. So today I'll be showing you guys how you can easily get monetized, like the quickest ways, what you can actually do, the things you need to put into place in order for you to get this your YouTube channel monetized so fast. You have been struggling with your YouTube channel. You have been struggling with a lot of things to do. What do you want to do? What do you need to do on your YouTube channel for you to get monetized? You have been on your YouTube channel for 2 years. Or some are even going to 3 years, 4 years. You are not yet monetized. Well, do not worry. You have come to the right place today because I'll be showing you the things you need to do. So the number one thing you actually need to do in order for you to get your YouTube channel monetized is one, picking a profitable niche. Now, when I talk about picking a profitable niche, I actually mean choose content, like create content that are likely to attract viewers. Create good content, like content that you put out there and people will find it so interesting. Now, let me give you, for example, you can just take a pen, you take your book, you start writing out some niche you can actually do. Now, let's take, for example, reaction videos. I always talk about reaction videos because they are likely to push your YouTube channel very far. Now, let's talk about reaction videos, cooking videos, blogging, teaching, educational videos, that is teaching videos. Now you list out these niches on your notes. Then the next thing you need to do is to go through them to see the ones you can actually do. Now, I always advise people to go for reaction videos to attract subscribers and viewers to their channel. Reaction videos are very, very good when it comes to that. But if you don't want to go into that, you can go into cooking. Cooking is very, very okay, but when you choose this cooking, you make sure you do it in a good way that when people watch your videos, they want to come back again to watch your videos again. They want to come back to watch more of your videos because these are the mistakes people are making. Just that. Now, let me tell you something. Do you know that whatever you are doing on your channel right now is actually very, very okay? But the thing you are lacking is how you put all this content together. Like after creating your content, how you put them together, the sound you use, your intro, everything matters a lot. So the number one is what? Profitable niche. The niche you know you can actually do so well. Then the number two thing, after you have choose a profitable niche, the next thing you need to do is to optimize your videos. Like when I talk about optimizing of videos, the first thing, you have to optimize your channel so well. And I've already thought about that. Now you need to optimize your videos. When I'm talking about optimizing of videos, I'm talking about making use of keywords, like making use of your hashtags, your description, your title. These things are very, very important. And under this optimization, we are also talking about thumbnail. Like if you look at my videos, my recent videos, I don't make use of thumbnail because I'm trying out something new to see if actually making use of thumbnail can actually attract viewers to your channel. So that's why I'm not using thumbnails for now. But there is a particular video I tried thumbnail. That video did not attract views at all. But the others that I did not even use thumbnail, the videos attracted viewers. Now, what am I trying to say? You don't actually need thumbnail to attract viewers, but I will advise you to use thumbnail as an upcoming YouTuber. It is very, very good and it is very, very important. Now, let's go back to what we're saying, optimizing your videos. Please, after you have posted your videos, and number one, please, when posting your videos, do not put it on public. Whenever you are posting your videos, make sure it's on private or make sure it's under unlisted, out of that too. But public is a no-no. Please, a lot of people are making this very big mistake and is not favorable to your channel at all. So after you have put it on private and you have uploaded your videos, now you go to your YouTube studio to edit that particular video, and under that edit, that's where you are going to put your video under public, because YouTube has already done their check. So you put it under public. Make sure you put a good title, and under this title, make sure you always attach 2 to 3 hashtags to your title. It is very, very good. And please, when picking title, think of a good title. The reason why is because most people may not find your video directly on YouTube, but some people's video might be suggesting your videos. Why? Because of the kind of title you used on your video. So people's video might be suggesting your own video to other people based on your title. Please take note of this. Now, after your title, you go down to your description. You put a very good description, and please, whatever you are writing under your description should match or suit according to the video you are posting. Don't just go and put another description there. And please, after writing the description, the next thing you need to do is to attach a lot of hashtags under your description. It is very, very good, and it will help you a lot. It's going to help YouTube search engine to push your videos further. It is very, very good. Now you have done your description. I've talked about thumbnail. I've talked about title, and I've talked about description. Now the next thing you need to do is to go to playlist. Please, if you don't know how to create playlist, you let me know under the comment section. And if you have playlist, just go and add your video to 1 or 2 playlists. Then the next thing, you post your video. This is going to help you a lot. The reason why I'm saying this is because you are there, you are looking for subscribers, you are looking for views, but you are not helping YouTube. Like, you need to help YouTube so that they can actually know where to push your videos to, the kind of people to show your videos to. That is the main reason for your tags and your keywords. Please. And thirdly, I always say this: post consistently. Now, I'll be telling you something. There's a channel I opened. When I started that channel, I was posting every day on that particular channel. Posting every day, YouTube was recommending my videos. But it got to a time I was not feeling too strong, and I stopped posting every day. Like, I will give the particular channel a week before posting on that channel. After some time, I got to observe that a new YouTube channel that I started newly, that was having 300 views, 200 views, started having 12 views. Why? Because I was not consistent. I was lacking. That is why I always tell people, be consistent as an upcoming content creator. Be consistent as a new YouTuber on your channel. It's going to help your channel very well. It's going to help your channel a lot. Be consistent. Post every day. If you cannot post every day, at least 1 day gap is enough. Post every day. Be consistent. And one of the reasons why you need to be consistent is because if somebody come across your video and that person does not have interest on that your video at that very moment, but the person have it in mind to come back to your channel to watch that video, without you posting every day, the person is not going to find your video. Neither is the person going to find your channel. That is why I always tell people, post every day, because it will help people to easily find your channel. It will help people to easily find your videos. I've tried all these things. Whatever I come here to teach you people is what I always put into practice. And when I see that they are working for me, I bring it for you. I teach you people how to do it. And when I see that it's not actually working, I also come here to tell you people, just the one I said I wasn't consistent, and I saw the very big difference. Now I'm trying to grow that channel again by posting every day, and I'm seeing a lot of changes now on that particular channel. So my people, we have actually come to the end of today's video. If you have not hit on the subscribe button to subscribe to this beautiful channel, please kindly do, because you are going to be learning a lot. And if you have not turned on your notification bell, kindly turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever I make a post. Okay, bye guys.